Dear students, welcome to the Economic Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present business study subject for second PUC. In that, chapter number 5, Organizing. Multiple choice questions. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQ questions. In this video, hot questions also included and marked with the red color star. So please give your attention. Okay. First question. The form of organization known for giving rise to rumors is called option A, centralized organization, option B, decentralized organization, option C, formal organization, option D, informal organization. Right answer is option D, informal organization. Next question, second question. Second question is a hard question. Hot means high order thinking questions. Already previously I explained about hard questions. These questions newly added to the question bank. Let us see the question and answers. Mohan was given a task by his superior to prepare a plan in 1 week. He asked two of his subordinates to work on two aspects of his task. One of these subordinates was sick and could not complete his work. Who is accountable for his task? Option A, Mohan is accountable. Option B, Mohan's subordinate is accountable. Option C, Mohan's superior is accountable. Option D, none of them. Right answer is option A, Mohan is accountable. Next question, third question. Grouping of activities on the basis of functions is a part of option A, centralized organization, option B, decentralized organization, option C, divisional organization, option D, functional organization. Right answer is option D, functional organization. Next question, fourth question. Which of the following is not an element of delegation? Option A, accountability, option B, authority, option C, responsibility, option D, informal organization. Right answer is option D, informal organization. Fifth question, this is also hot question. As I said earlier, these questions are marked in a red color. You need to give more concentration because these questions are new questions. Fifth question, under this type of organizational structure, manpower is grouped and the basis of different products manufactured. Option A, divisional structure. Option B, functional structure. Option C, network structure. Option D, matrix structure. Right answer is option A, divisional structure. Next question, sixth question. A network of social relationship that arises spontaneously due to interaction at work is called option A, formal organization, option B, informal organization, option C, decentralization, option D, delegation. Right answer is option B, informal organization. Next question, seventh question. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? Option A, functional structure. Option B, divisional structure. Option C, formal organization. Option D, informal organization. Right answer is option D, informal organization. Next question is eighth question. Centralization refers to option A, retention of decision making authority. Option B, dispersal of decision making author. Option C, creating decisions as profit centers. Option D, opening new centers or branches. Right answer is option A, retention of decision making authority. Next question, for delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility be accompanied with necessary. Option A, authority. Option B, manpower. Option C, incentives. Option D, promotions. Right answer is option A, authority. Next question, 10th question. Grouping of activities on the basis of product lines is a part of option A, uh, delegated organization. Option B, divisional organization. Option C, functional organization. Option D, autonomous organization. Right answer is option B, divisional organization. Thank you for watching. I will come back with new chapters. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. If you have any queries, please raise your queries in comment box. Thank you once again.